Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Finally I'm back after such a long break. But thank you guys for being there with me on this channel. I am really grateful for every one of you. I am back after a long break, but I'm sure I'm gonna be regular from now. So let's get started with the video. And today I thought I'll do a makeup look, very neat and minimal makeup. As you can see, I've already prepped my skin well, moisturizer, lip balm, everything. So I always recommend before doing any sort of makeup, whether it's heavy makeup or minimal makeup, no makeup, you should always moisturize your skin really well. Okay, you should not start makeup, you shouldn't do anything before doing your skincare. So first you should do your skincare and then start with the makeup. So yeah, let's get started. I'm using this Smashbox Halo Glow. I bought this product after seeing it on Instagram and I thought to give it a try. As it said, it's a healthy glow all-in-one tinted moisturizer, and the good thing about the product is it also have SPF 25, which is good for the daytime. Though I've already applied my sunscreen, I bought the shade medium light. I'm using it for this first time, so let's see how it does. I'm gonna blend it with this PAC 265 foundation brush. Looks like my skin but better. I haven't used concealer, guys, like literally no concealer, just this tinted moisturizer and that's it. And I'm glad that I got the shade right. And let's blend on the other side as well. Don't forget to blend on the inner corners of your nose, that's important. And don't forget to apply it on the neck. I'm using the product which is left in the brush, I haven't taken more product. And for the brows, I'm using this Dior Plump and Volume mascara. So I'm gonna use a little bit, not too much. I've already taken out the product from the mascara wound so that it doesn't get a lot of product on the brows. But yeah, I'm just setting it with the mascara. So here's the tip in this video for you guys is you can use a mascara as your brow product. Why? Because it's gonna give you that lifted look, that soapy brow look, and it's gonna set your brows on place, so it's not gonna move and you're good to go all day. But make sure you don't use a lot of product, otherwise it's gonna mess up. See, doesn't it look nice? So the next step which I'm gonna use is blush, which I recently got from Amazon. It's an O2 Velvet Liquid Blush. I have seen many Instagram influencers using this. So I'm gonna try this. Thing which you should keep in mind about this product is, or any other liquid product, is that you should always take it first on the back of your hands, because it can be very pigmented. And just take a drop back of your hands, just a drop, and then you can apply it with your finger or with the brush, taking very little. See, and also with this product you have to be very careful as it is very pigmented. See, I think some of the product I need to take it off with my finger because it's too much and I don't want this much of the blush. The product left on my brush, I'm just gonna apply this side and not taking more product. I think I'm happy with this much of the blush. Ooh, I love it. Moving on to the next step of our makeup, do my lashes. So first I'm gonna use lash curler bought from Vega. So first I'll curl my lashes. Instantly it's gonna open up your eyes and give you that perfect curl before the mascara. I'm gonna use mascara So I'm using this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. This is Sugar Cosmetics Double Date Extreme Volume Mascara Duo in the shade 01 Blackjack. While applying mascara, you should take care, you should, look below and then apply your mascara so the product won't get on your lids. I quite like it for everyday use. It doesn't feel heavy on the lashes, just like some other mascaras which really feels heavy on the eyes, and this doesn't feel like applying it on the lower lash, so I'm leaving it just as it is. The last step which we are going to do is our lips. So firstly, I thought I'll use a nude lipstick, but I was in a mood of some color and some bold lipstick. e.l.f. Cosmetic Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is in the shade Berry Sorbet. Keep that in mind if you're applying any matte lipstick and you have extremely dry lips. You should apply your balm first so that your lips is also moisturized and hydrated. Before applying the lipstick, I somehow take it off a little bit so that it's not too very moisturized, and then I apply my lipstick. So make sure you don't end up using too much product on the wound. Take off the product from the wound and then apply it. Don't take too much of the product and then start applying your lipstick, otherwise it's just keep on adding up layers and layers, so which we don't want. Okay, the thing about this lipstick is when you immediately apply it, it looks different, and when you give it a minute or two, it gets completely dried up. It looks a little different. Doesn't it look pretty? I love it. If you don't want to go too pinky or purple, you can go for this shade. It's in between pink and purple. I hope you enjoyed this video, you liked it. If you do, please don't forget to like and show your girl a little support and share it with your friends and family who needs a makeup tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, see you next time. And please, please, please keep loving and sharing and supporting your girl. Bye.